Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the background of your Windows 10 desktop. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply right click on your desktop, then go to personalize. Then over here you will find the option for backgrounds, so just simply click that. Now make sure that you have activated Windows, because if your Windows is not activated you will not be able to change anything. So when you are in the background section, you will have multiple options over here, like as you see the background which I have currently and few more which are the default background given by Microsoft. So you can change the fit as well. So just simply click on the drop box and you can change however you want to see the wallpaper. So as you can see, it is currently in fill. I can make it to fit. Then the wallpaper will fit to its original size on the desktop. Then stretch, it will stretch the image. Then tile. Then center, it will make the image centered. Then lastly span. You can also change your background from over here in the section called background. Just simply click the drop box and over here you can choose few options like solid color. So if you want a solid color background, you can also have that. Or if you want a slideshow, you can choose that as well. Then over here just simply click on browse, enter some images which will be shown to you in the desktop as a slideshow. Now in order to get a wallpaper, what you can do is just simply go to a browser, and for this example just simply search HD wallpaper. Then just simply go to any of the websites. Now just simply download any random wallpaper. Let's go with this one. So just simply click on that. Then click on the drop box over here, the free download. If you want the original size, you can take that, or you can customize the size as well. Then just simply click download selected size and then wait for a few seconds. Then the download is complete. Now just simply open file. Now in order to make this your wallpaper, just simply click on the three dots over here. Then just simply go down and over there you will find the option to set as lock screen, set as background and set as app tile. So just simply choose set as background. And now if you go back to your background, you will find that it has changed. So that's it. That's how you can change your background in Windows 10. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.